Aloe vera and lemon contain nutrients that are good for health. If you want to take advantage of its benefits in a delicious drink, here we tell you how to prepare aloe vera water with lemon. The aloe vera is a plant widely used in traditional medicine. Its gel is mainly characterized by its healing effects on the skin and its analgesic properties when suffering from migraines, muscular, rheumatic, or dental pain, points out the Federal Consumer Protection Agency, Profeco. Similarly, its intake relieves other types of internal discomforts for which it is eaten or taken within various recipes. One of them is aloe vera water with lemon. If you want to give this natural drink a try, here we tell you what its benefits are and how to prepare it. According to an article in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences, aloe vera juice reduces abdominal pain, flatulence, and constipation in patients with irritable bowel syndrome. Also, this plant works as a remedy for gastric ulcers and colitis, says the Journal of Neurogastroenterology and Motility. Its high water content keeps you hydrated and promotes the elimination of impurities in the body, especially in the liver, indicates the blog specialized in Healthline. Additionally, a Journal of Pharmacy and Bioallied Sciences publication found that aloe pulp has antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral qualities. For this reason, its consumption strengthens the immune system and fights infectious diseases. For its part, lemon juice has protective effects for the brain and liver. According to a study in the Journal of Medicinal Food, this citrus fruit reduces oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, two risk factors linked to neurodegenerative diseases. Like aloe vera, lemon enhances the liver's natural ability to detoxify the body and prevents kidney stone formation. Through these mechanisms, toxins and other unnecessary elements of the body are discharged. It is also an important source of vitamin C. Research by Bayer Consumer Care found that this nutrient reduces the risk, severity, and duration of infectious diseases such as the common cold, pneumonia, malaria, and diarrhea. Due to these benefits, it is considered a favorable food for the immune system. Check the healthy effects of a refreshing aloe vera water with lemon. You only need the following. Read more recipe and benefits of parsley water with lemon. Ingredients: a stalk of aloe vera, 5 lemons, 2 liters of water, sweetener to taste. Preparation 1. Soak the aloe leaf in a glass full of water overnight. In this way, you will remove the excess aloe and your drink will not be bitter. 2. Peel the aloe leaf and extract the pulp. 3. Cut the pulp into small squares, put them in a strainer and rinse again for a minute so that your water does not have such a thick consistency. Reservation. 4. Cut the lemons in half and squeeze them into a pitcher. 5. Add the water, the aloe vera pulp and the sweetener of your choice. Mix the ingredients until just combined. With this simple recipe you will get a delicious drink that will take care of your liver and strengthen your defenses at this time of year. Remember that the consumption of aloe vera is not recommended in pregnant women